Logan, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. That's not exactly... I think the question is he ready? Noob. I told you.
I'm not a retard. I knew I couldn't do it after it was in there and then try to swallow it. That's what she said.
I know. But,
One more time.
you can just swallow a little bit at a time.
I couldn't. I knew if I tried it would have like coughed really bad.
You didn't even try.
You're dumb if you try it after.
Hartman won.
It's like a little bit in the back of my throat still. It kind of burns.
Hartman couldn't swallow the best.
Swallow the best.
At least I don't look like a retard. I didn't try it.
Good. You couldn't swallow the best.
Throw up yet?
You could swallow the worst.
Yeah, do you want to go again?
I don't know.
Pussy.
I don't see you doing.
You didn't have
I just ate.
I went like that.
I'll get some more water. Oh, you know I'm filming you doing it.
Fuck you. I didn't see you doing it either.